So my subtopic is how the Algonquin Moose Moratorium affects the lives of Indigenous people. The Algonquin people of the Barrier Lake area are taking such a strong stance on the hunting of moose because these animals, as well as other species, are their main food source. Here's a quote from Barrier Lake community member interviewed by CBC News. Our closest grocery store is an hour and a half away from our community. We rely on the food source here. Much like the current situation in Nova Scotia involving Indigenous lobster fishermen, Indigenous people's way of life is being threatened. These people hunt and fish for a moderate livelihood, meaning the animals are harvested for food to feed the community, and at such a low rate where the moose population stays sustainable. Non-Indigenous people coming to the area to hunt for sport or other reasons is causing the moose population to drop to an unsustainable rate, directly affecting a primary source of food for the native communities. This issue has been a reoccurring trend since colonial times. An example of this is when beaver populations declined significantly due to the settlers' fur trade. Going forward, these kinds of issues need to be addressed at a nationwide level. Wildlife populations should be analyzed and hunting regulations should be updated according to population size. Overhunting causes damage to both the wildlife and the people whose livelihoods depend on living off the land and using the limited resources available to them. We should work towards a more sustainable future for both man and animal in Canada. And this picture on the left is a picture of protesters at the Wildlife Reserve. This is from 2019, so the Moose Moratorium has actually been happening for 2 years now.
Hold on. Oh, maybe I need to do this.
Huh?